A forest contains different species of trees. Let T represent the total number of trees in the forest. H represent the total number of hickory trees. And K represent the number of oak trees. Okay, if a tree is selected at random from the forest, which expression represents the probability of selecting a tree that is neither hickory nor oak? All right, so whenever you do probability is what you want over the total. That's how probability works. In this case, the total amount of trees is T. All right. It tells me that H is hickory, K is oak, because, oak starts with K. And it's asking me, we want everything but that. All right, so you take your total and you subtract out the K and you subtract out the H, and that's going to be the probability. So, that's pretty much how you do it. Don't overthink it. Now, of course, I wrote it out of order, but B is the only one that matches up. They have T minus H minus K, where I have T minus K minus H, same thing, over T. B is my answer. That's how you do probability. Interesting. Fun, though.